Okay, so ready. I hooked up this here. These are gonna go up, close them, and then drain them up every so often with hot water so this won't freeze, I believe. This is a heater hose here. I duct tape this just in case, so because over here you don't want the water to freeze. This is a thermostat that actually turns on once it goes below 30 or so. And then the cable here, this is the electric cable. I put it up here. Once it starts snowing, I don't want it to go under the snow there. See, this is a 50 amp watt. So we gotta close this right. Okay, so that's good. And then over here, I don't want these to freeze because the last time it wasn't even snowing and they were hard to get up. So it takes, I'm gonna put some of this around it. So I think it's common sense. I haven't seen any videos that say to put this around it, but I think that would help and take them off. So I'm all set up, and we'll see what happens. It's really chilly out here, and the winds were really high. So once it starts snowing, I guess it's gonna be snowing for about 2 to 3 days, and then I think by the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd it's gonna be clear, so hopefully the snow and the snow plow, the truck gets the snow out of the road so we could be heading out to Anaheim. Okay, so I insulated the jacks here, so because they were getting cold and if it snows we don't want them freezing, so when we get out of here, you know, we can put a little bit of hot water, but prevention, because last time it wasn't even snowing, it was just cold, 30 degrees, and it's supposed to get colder. But anyways, that should work hopefully. And we got our hose, everything insulated up here. And as you can see, that's up there. Hopefully it doesn't go down. But we got it all cleared up, and I gotta get the other one too in the front. So, see you next week. It's 11:15 right now, Monday, and as you can see, the car is already frozen window and top there. I put a plastic bag on the top because we got a convertible here. And no snow yet, but it's hell freezing out here. Good night. See you in the morning. Here in Julian.